morning, guys. Thank you for having us here. I want to come and worship with you guys. We believe in everything you guys do, and we just want to make a contribution to your ministry and hope God's bless everything for your church.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pastor John, for all you do in your ministry. It feels so good to be back here with you again. Thank you, thank you. You are God's chosen people. Know your history. You did things for the American people that no other ethnic group has done. During what you call the American War, you saved tens of thousands of American lives. A friend of mine was in that war, and he said he was dropped down in the middle of the jungle, and he didn't know who his enemy were. Well, your people guided our people and saved so many lives. We lost that war, that horrible war. I met with the Lutheran bishop, which is like the head of all the Lutheran churches in Malaysia. And he said that our country owes a debt to the Montagnard people that we can never repay. Be proud to be Montagnard. Preserve your history, your culture, your language, your stories. Thank you for letting me be here. In my heart, I am Montagnard. May the Lord continue to bless you. May he make his face to shine upon you and give you his peace. Thank you.
We thank you so much. You know how much we're here? It's 2,000. Thank you so much.
Bless you. Thank you.
See what I can do some.
Give you the flower. Flower will wear their way to my heart.
I was ready.
Và đang là ngôi nhà vương. Niệm xạ chưa có lại ông đi.
Yeah.
Anh ngày trong tim vàng này rồi. Thì lòng ác phanh ra không cần biến hay lòng bọc trên lỗi ấy. Mà phanh đang duyên léo là ngôi trẻ. Thì bác bự nào hẹp mà một lòng làm có chịu cái lòng làm ma. Phanh đang duyên là đường. Ốc tiền cái lỗi nào trực, nào chia, nào kia, nào chân, nào